Finally got the ice cream I was looking for. This is the almond one. They always give me hazelnut, so I'm happy. This is apparently a famous lassi shop. I wanna see how they prepare it. Our lassis are coming up. Mango. Coconut. Coconut. Which is mango coconut? Yes. Thank you. Here's the mango. Mango coconut.
Enjoy your lassi, man. Good. See you tomorrow then.
Bye bye. Delicious. I'm not a big fan of lassis, but it was delicious. These clay cups are used only once. Now we're gonna smash them. Yes! Yeah! Oh! It's gonna be interesting. Don't take a shit now, or a piss. We're heading down to the water now to see when the Hindus burn the bodies of their dead. Here's the wood that they use to burn the bodies. So we found the place where they burned the bodies, but of respect for the dead, I won't show you the video. They are walking with the bodies to the cremation spot. And just randomly, we have a cow. So I'm back at the hostel after a long day here in Varanasi. Been exploring the city with my Chinese crew. We have been walking around on these narrow streets. It's like a maze, and it's so easy to get lost. You don't have any reception on your phone because yeah, the houses cover your reception. But I'm happy with today. Exhausted because we left Agra yesterday around this time, so we've been at it for 24 hours. We just had a little sleep on the bus. Otherwise, I'm very happy with this day. Varanasi is a nice, crazy city. So it's really exhausting. I'm so sweaty. I guess you can see that. We saw the fire show and we went to some famous restaurant and we had a famous lassi. Delicious. So I'm gonna go to bed now. But first a shower, of course, because I'm too sweaty. And yeah, let's see what tomorrow has to offer.